out today, so I finally have a chance to set up my new force wheels. I'm currently at my grandparents' house in the shop working on some fingerboards, and later I'm going to skateboard in here because there's some space just to skateboard in here. I made a video, my last video was skateboarding here, and I have to do it in here because there's like nowhere else to do it because there's a ton of snow outside, as you can see. So I'm working on a few decks right now for my company, Comms Fingerboards. You can follow them on Instagram and check out the website. I'll leave the link in the descriptions. I got this deck sanded down pretty good, so it's just a red and yellow dyed bottom ply with a natural top, and the plies are like have orange and like a white color in them. Turned out pretty sick. I got the fingerboards drying in the shop, and I'm gonna go in and fingerboard and probably play some guitar a bit. Hey guys, so I'm back in the shop and I'm gonna set up my brand new force wheels. They're the Aaron Cairo 54 millimeter. They're the monkey ones. I'm gonna put them on this deck that I just set up a while ago. I had 53 millimeter force wheels on it, but they got a little smaller, and I'm just gonna switch to these new ones that I got for Christmas. I got all 4 wheels out of the packaging. Here's what one looks like. I'm gonna start by taking these old wheels off. I got all the wheels off. I got them lined up right here. And now I have to put the bearings in the new ones and then put them on the deck. I got the wheels all set up. I think it looks pretty good. Now I'll do some tricks. I forgot my helmet, but I'll still try to do some anyway. Got back to my house now. Sorry I didn't get that many skate clips, but for what I can tell from the wheels is they're kind of slippery. They're not too grippy, so if you like power slides, those are probably the wheels for you. They're 54 millimeters instead of 53, what I usually ride, but I can't really tell that much of a difference. And they're also kind of a more harder wheel instead of softer. And the other ones that I had were like from the first stock of Force wheels, and I think like people on YouTube said that they're not supposed to like get yellow, but they kind of did. I don't know if that's because I had them like in the grass and stuff, and the graphic on the first wheels also worn off really fast, and like Andy Schrock says they don't now and stuff, so I'll have to see how they are as I skate them more. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Let's try to get this video to 10 likes, so thanks for watching. Bye.